Okay, Jonathan here. Now we're going to be talking about putting. So with putting here, like the other shots that we've been talking about, we're going to be first talking about setup, and then we're going to be talking about stroke length for controlling speed, and then tempo. So I like to think of putting as building a machine, okay? A machine that rolls the ball towards a target, okay? A machine that moves smoothly back and forth. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we're setting up with our eyes somewhere over top of the golf ball, okay? So here's the best way, a nice simple way to get the right posture when golfing, when putting, okay? So you're gonna take your club, okay? You're gonna raise it up in the air like this, normal posture, okay? You're gonna point, extend your arms and point the butt of the club somewhere between your belly button and your rib cage. And then from there, okay, you're gonna bring the club in towards you and have your biceps onto your chest muscle. And then from there, you're gonna let everything fall, okay, to the ground. So now you can see my eyes are more over top of the golf ball, okay? My forearms are matching or in the same line as the club shaft, okay? And I'm able to see the line of my putt, okay? So that's a really good way to have a good setup. So one more time, arms are extended, bring the club in, tuck your arms to your side, let everything fall from there. Eyes are over top or just inside. Forearms are matching the shaft angle, okay? One other key here is ball position. I like to have my ball position for my putter just forward of center. That way I can make sure that I'm hitting it just on the upswing to make the ball roll right away, okay? Next thing we're going to talk about is your stroke length. So for the most part, okay, you want to have your backswing size to match your forward swing size, okay? Like a pendulum. When we're swinging the club or a pendulum or a swing at the playground, let's say, you put the effort into start, okay, and let the putter swing. You'll notice that it looks pretty even, but actually the backswing is going to be a little bit bigger than the follow through because the club's just going to lose momentum. But for the most part, they're even. So when you're judging your speed, okay, you want to make a size that's appropriate back and through at the same length for the length of putt that you have. So if you have a short putt, it's going to be a short back and through, okay? Medium length putt, again, back and through of the same length, and a long putt, again, back and through of the same length, okay? The next thing, last thing here that puts it all together is making sure you have the right rhythm, or I like to call it cadence to your stroke, okay? Meaning we don't want to be quick, okay? We want to have a nice smooth cadence to your putting stroke, letting the putter swing nicely, okay? So I'm letting this putter start in motion and letting the putter do its job. The putter head is heavy. The putter is much heavier than all the other clubs. It's for a reason, so we can let that putter swing, okay? But this machine that you've built, you know, we want to let it swing and let the putter do the job, okay? So let's try one out. I got my setup, the first key, tuck those arms in, let everything fall from there, okay? I've got my putter lined up, good ball position, okay? And a nice cadence to the stroke. Just like that. Okay, so I hope these three things help: your setup, and then your stroke length to judge the speed, and then having a really good cadence to your stroke. Hope this helps.